Welcome back, Cubao. I'm here in Cubao, Araneta City. Thank you, Lord, for a safe travel. I'm gonna bring the orders of my clients there in Wendy's for me not to carry it there in my house, to save time. And then after this, I'm gonna make some uploads after how many hours? 15 hours. Gosh, the travel is so slow compared before. It only takes 12 hours is the longest. Excuse me. See the one that I'm carrying? Some kind of a heavy, but it's okay. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave. I'm so excited to have my collections once the day pops out. The collections that my client will be given to me. Hold on for how many minutes? So there is Wendy's. So bye for now. Welcome back, Araneta City, Hendrix AA. Shout out to each every one of you. Shout out to my mother Bicol, Fe Abardo, to my sister Christine, Helen Carreta, my Helen Carreta, my childhood friend, and to all my silent subscribers, to all my Facebook viewers, to each every one of you. Bye for now.